In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the AnyDesk number of your laptop in just a few seconds. If you use AnyDesk for remote access, support, or helping someone connect to your device, knowing your AnyDesk address is the first thing you need. This is a very quick and simple process, but it's important to know exactly where to look so you can share the correct number without confusion. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, launch the AnyDesk application on your laptop. You can do this by clicking the AnyDesk icon from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you installed it. Once the app opens, you'll see the main AnyDesk window. Now look at the central area of the screen. In the middle of the window, you should see a number labeled as your address. This is your AnyDesk number. It's usually a 9-digit or 10-digit code, and this is the number other people need if they want to connect to your laptop remotely. Make sure you identify the full number correctly because even one wrong digit can prevent the connection from working. If you want to share it quickly, you can click on the number itself. AnyDesk lets you copy it instantly, which makes it easy to paste into an email, chat message, or support request. This is especially useful if you're sending it to a colleague, a friend, or a technician who needs remote access to your computer. If the address doesn't appear right away, give the app a moment to fully load and make sure you're signed in or connected properly. Once you have the number copied, you can paste it wherever you need it and share it safely. That's it. Your AnyDesk number is the address shown in the center of the AnyDesk app. Quick tip, always double check the number before sharing it and only send it to trusted people. If this tutorial helped you find your AnyDesk number, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.